Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is for Zodiac Virgo, rest of May 2020. And today's reading, I am directly going towards the reading. Yes, that's how I shuffle it or make your cards. Yes, Fool. Okay, what is this about? Yes, you can say that there is a Fool card here. You have to do something. Don't be afraid of something. Go, get it, do it. I want to see what's this for. Ten of Swords. Yes, somebody has defeated you, deceived you, and or maybe backstabbed you, and you are now in. You are afraid that other person also do this to you, or you are thinking that all other persons are like this. Yes, now you are defending yourself. That's why are you are scared of going forward. Yes, moving forward. You are defending yourself from others because you lose your trust over others. Yes, and you are now in this mood. Four of Swords. You are napping. You are not seeing that what is coming for you. In this card, I think that you're still mood. You are stopping somewhere and not moving forward. This is not good for you. This is good for your enemies. These are your enemies, and they are watching you. That you are sleeping. You are doing nothing. You are broken. You are broken, and that's why they are happy that you are not doing anything. You are going towards your disaster, and they are happy with it. They want to eat you. They want to destroy you. Yes. Now you want some help from mother, or maybe some help is coming towards you. I want to clarify this. Nine of, yes, some kind of help is coming towards you. Yes, and this is the card of wish fulfillment, hope card, healing card, and your wish is coming true. Yes, someone is going to help you to overcome your sadness. Yes, and death card. Something is ending over here. Something, maybe your this condition, this is ending over here, or someone is ending over here. Someone's death is causing something here. Sun card. Yes, this is not for a bad. This death card is not for a bad. It's a good thing. Your problems are ending here. This situation that you are hopeless and not moving forward, afraid of moving forward, that thing is ending here. This is dying here. This thing is dying here, and you are going to be going towards your happiness, your abundance, your money, happiness, home life, happy home life. I want to pull some more cards for you. For rest of the yes, as much as you give to others, your well wishes, your help, you can get from the others or from universe. And from this card, can you see this? Yes, yes, can see. And from this card, maybe you are helping others or someone is helping you. Yes, or you are searching about something. Your knowledge, you are gaining some kind of knowledge here. What is this about? Seven of Swords. Yes, the person who defeat you, who disobey you. Yes, who is not good for you. That person who has done something bad to you. Okay, in previous time, you are searching about them. You are thinking about them. What did they do, and how they uh, uh, how they destroy you, or you get in problem. How did they do that? You are thinking about that all process here. Yes, you are searching about it, and more searching about that person. Maybe talking about someone else, that which kind of person is them or them. And I think that this is also a problem of love situation. This some kind of love situation is here. What happened? I want to see what happened in this situation. Temperance, you have to be patient. Okay, you have to be patient, because what happened is happened. It's not going to be changed, and you have to be patient. You have to gain some strength, mentally and physically. Okay, be like the person who can ride over the lion. Their thoughts, their bad thoughts, that something is done to you, something bad has done to you, and you are not thinking about it. Be like that person. Okay. Yes, you are still juggling about it. May I take revenge with him or her, or may I leave her? You are juggling about it. That's what I'm getting from it. I think you are still waiting for them, or not decided, or you are not able to decide yet. You have to be strengthful, and with fresh mind. You have to decide something about it. What next? Yes, you have to become like a emperor. This is emperor card. You have to become like a emperor, the king of wands. Maybe you are Leo. Yes, Leo or Aries. This card is for Aries, and this is you are not Aries. You are or maybe there's someone looking for their Virgo person. Yes, they are Aries, or maybe this, or they have the energy of these cards. You have to be in your own. Um, you have to be healed now. You are going to be loved once again. Somebody is coming towards you. Maybe yes. Now I get this. Someone with fire sign. Who are the fire sign? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. With fire sign, someone is coming towards you. They are very powerful person. They are energyful, powerful. They are like an emperor, like a king. Yes, and they are coming towards you, and they are going to hold you. They are going to heal you. Okay, they are going to heal you with their love. Yes, now I get this. This is the situation. Someone is coming towards you with lots of love. Yes. Some more card. Look, this is in the bottom of the this deck. This is a Queen of Cups, goddess of love. Yes, mother kind, like this energy. Someone is love you. Someone love you. You have a broken heart and broken heart and broken home. That this is uh, this is happened before, this is now finished, this is going to die now, and your new life is going to begin. What else? You're still thinking about your previous life, your distraction, your problem, what's happened to you, or this that is not good what happened to me. Forget this. Enjoy your new life. Something more. Yes, you are waiting for your new love. Yes, what I am getting from here, you are waiting for something, your good time. Yes, for your good time, your happiness, for someone to heal you. You are waiting for that sun person, that person, king of wands, emperor, your love. You are going to be married. This is a marriage card, this is success card. This is getting a new position, a higher position, and also the marriage card. And I think that you are going to marry someone with this love, with this happiness, with this passion. You are still standing, you are not moving, you can't decide what you have to do. Something is blocking you, your own thoughts are blocking you. I know that these are your own thoughts that's blocking you. Yes, as much you are going to forget this situation, then you can move forward. If you not, you cannot. You have to give uh, um, your power to forget it. Okay. Yes, you are coming from the bad situation. uh, yes, you are coming out from it. Yes, it's releasing. The bad thing is wow. 10 of cups, now this is finished for me, because 10 of cups is a happy home life, and that what you are going to have. Yes, in this rest of May 2020, Virgos are going towards their happiness, their home happiness, their love, their family, abundance. Sun card, 10 of cups, love, being loved with by someone. Yes, yes, this is for you, for today, and I hope you like it. Please share, like, share, subscribe, and with the lots of wishes, good wishes, with lots of good wishes. Bye.